What's up, boys? How are we doing today? Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everyone. Hopes everyone doing okay today. Pretty good day for me. Up on most of my accounts. So I already locked out most of my funded accounts, so I'm just on my eval right now. Let's fucking go. We're finna kill it. Come on now. Finna kill it. NQ broke out to all-time high. Let's fucking go, baby. I was up a lot, but I'm still trying to get NQ going higher. Yeah, I did good last night. I'm profiting on most of my funded. This one, I'm up 700. This one also 700. And this funded, I'm up 200. This one up 400 for the combine. Pretty good. Good morning, Little. How you doing today? I see you took a couple trades, but I know like you was trying to go long up here. I was telling you like not to. This is a good spot to go long, but up here it's like don't chase it. Imagine if you caught in a long up here, bro. It would be so bad. Dude, look at this shit. You was trying to chase long, so I tried to stop you right there, you know. Now it's coming back for a retest. And I added a couple more contracts, but let's see how we're doing today. Let's see if NQ can give me a continuation right here. I feel like NQ could definitely squeeze higher, you know. I'm looking for this buyers to hold price right here. If not, then we flush down. Yeah, yesterday it came down and then like it pulled back. So like I see it got up here again. I hopping along just right here with 2 minis, dude, because I know like, you know, this short gonna get, you know, squeezed out. So I hopping along right here with my other account. And took an exit right about here, the resistance. I still think NQ could squeeze longer, you know, like just follow the trend. Like, dude, that, you know, like look at all of this green bubbles, like they're gonna defend price unless like you see like real sellers like just dump through all of this buyers, then like go for a short. But you know, in order for me to go for short bias, I need price to get like basically back down here, somewhere down here. Dude, gold is just insane, dude. Yesterday I caught some long too, but it wouldn't go down. It was just probably gold was just consolidating and now it's going back up, right? Yeah, barely going down. It was grinding down too. No impulsive going down, you know. It was just grinding down. A lot of demand on gold right here. You wouldn't want to short gold, to be honest, even though it's all-time high. Dude, gold just insane, to be honest with y'all. But seems like NQ is holding right here. Come on now. Shit. I still think NQ long is the move right here. If y'all trying to catch it. See, broke above resistance right here. All-time high, come back to retest. So if this hole, we're gonna squeeze. Look, we have this long wick too. We might feel this wick. So I still think NQ long is the move, y'all. Don't short NQ right now. No. But all of these buyers right here defending. Sellers trying so hard, but couldn't. I still like NQ long. Good morning, Black Gold. Soon as a NQ getting back up here, bro, it's gonna squeeze so high. Cause like, you know, today we're only up 1%. Usually like NQ range is huge. Like, let's see, this candle, maybe this is a small candle, 0.7%, but like every time we got a breakout, maybe this one, you know, 1.64%. Maybe this breakout candle right here, 1.3%. You know, we still have a lot of space to go. And people are trying to predict the top of the market, and it's gonna fill for NQ to even go higher, dude. It's like people short, then like when they get in the water, they're gonna cover the positions, and it's just they gotta buy back the orders, and it's just gonna going higher until like some real sellers step in. But right now I don't see real sellers. This is not impulsive moving down. This is not, you know, impulsive moving down is like something like this, like we just break structure and just flush down, or like this, you know. But even than this, like it's still a whole like zones right here. Like it's still pretty bullish, you know. You wouldn't want to go against the strength. It's fine if I got stopped out, you know. It's just a trade. But as long as I follow my plan, you know, as long as I don't do anything stupid, then it's just a loss. I still have a lot of fucking, you know, drawdown to like get in another trade. Cause I look, I'm risking 400, maybe. If it get back up here, that's 800 already. But I'm looking to squeeze at least like up here, like 2K. So we just recently break out a pretty strong structure right here. If this can go up, like we can squeeze up really high. If this breakout right here, pulling back up, that's only 1.2%. It's durable. 1200 ticks. Gotta get above this sellers right here, and we good to keep going. But see, buyers seems like holding. This buyers over here, they're holding price. If we flush through this buyers, it's gonna go down low, down towards this zones right down here. Let me check on ES. That's a SMT on ES right now. Cause S&T is still not all-time high yet, but yo, what's up, Asin? Thank you for being on the stream. You're all good, man. Yes. ES my hold right here. Pull back up and then Q going all-time high again right here. This buyers on ES, if this buyers on ES hold, like NQ gonna go all-time high again right here. Let's see. Pretty slow right now. Oh hell yeah, appreciate it, y'all. Today we only got 4 viewers, but like I know like over the time It's gonna pick up, you know. Just gotta give it some time. NQ, this NQ might create a double bottom right here and pull back up. Not gonna lie, I see this pattern a lot. So let's see. This is basically a retest of all of this, like, you know, limit buyers holding the sellers right here, you know. So it come back to retest. If this break up back above, bro, like, it's a really good long. No. It's like we still have this long wick. Like, it's gonna get filled, definitely. Like, it never, this wicks mean like imbalance in the market. So like, you see market like don't like to leave wicks unfilled. They're gonna fill it most of the time. But I just don't know when it's gonna reverse right here. Cause like, this might hold, or it could pull back to here and this on hold, you know. So I'm just gonna have a stop loss just below here, this buyers, and see if this don't hold, then I might try long again down here. And if this don't hold, then like, I'll just wait, cause it might flip bearish. Not gonna lie, like, if the zone don't hold, I don't want to be in long again, cause you know, it broke out resistance right here. This resistance got a hold. Resistance now becomes support. This got a hold. If not, then like, we just get back into this whole range. It might just like test, come back to this side to test. So I don't know. Let's see though. But I really want this zone to hold right here. This is a key zone, pretty strong zone right here, and we broke out of that. You know, look how many we've been rejecting that zone, and now we finally got a breakout. It's hella cold. Oh, we got 8 viewers. Welcome everyone to the stream. Let's fucking go. Looking for this zone to hold right here. Shit, getting a payout on this account soon, y'all. I need 1 more K to get a 2.5K payout. And this one, I need 2 more K. Cause this one, like, I need 2. So I have a $2,500 in drawdown, and I can only take whatever above that, and the minimum withdrawal is 1,000 and the max is 1,500, but I'm trying to take 1,500. So I'm looking to get to 4,100 before I, you know, withdraw. I want to take max payout. And a lot of people say intraday trading is hard, but like, you know, if you're being disciplined, it's pretty easy. Cause like, you take partial, you take, you know, you being like, you have really good risk management. You're not gonna let your trades run crazy, so your drawdown should be good. But let's see if NQ could hold right here. Thank you, Osin. Yes, everyone give me a like button. Give me that thumbs up. Hell yeah. Much appreciated. But bull knock is hard to get a payout if you're a beginner. Even though it's cheap, but like, it's really hard to get a payout. Because there's a 40% consistency rule intraday trailing, and you need to make your minimum drawdown first before you can withdraw, which is 2,600. And the minimum withdrawal is 1,000, which is you need to make 3,600 to be able to withdraw. Done. Appreciate it, Little. Hell yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. If NQ push down right here and pull back, dude, like this, it's gonna reverse from here. But if it's just gonna flush through, I'm gonna stay out, you know. So let's see. Yeah, I might get stop out right here. Let's see. I need ES to hold this zone right here. If not, then like I'm gonna get stopped out. I was up like $500 on this trade too, but I have conviction in it. That's why I added more contracts, and you know, just have a $400 risk right here. But I was up. Wow, get stop out. Come on now. Ah, I got stop out, y'all. Come on now. Hold on. Oh my god, dude. What the fuck? I took a fucking 400 loss right there, and then it just reversed on me. Like, what the fuck? Dude! Dude! Fucking shit, dude. What the hell? It's fine. I'll just wait an entry again. I still think it's a good long, dude. I'm gonna try 5 right here and scale in more. But dude, what the hell? Like, it's insane, dude. No way, that was a bottom tick. Like, dude, took me out bottom tick too. I think it's gonna reverse right here, bro. Like, if it break out and go in bearish, it's gotta go from here. But look, bullish volume just go in. Dude, they watch my stream for real. Like, I got bottom tick exit right there. Hold on, let me see if let me turn on the, hold on, let me turn on the chart executions. Look at this shit, y'all. Just bottom tick exit me. What the fuck? Come on now. No fucking way. I got bottom tick exit. God damn it. Dude. And my stop loss, I think, is already safe. Dude, what the fuck? Yeah, but I still like the long here on and kill him and try it one more time. Cause it seems like the holding right here again, dude. Like, if it got flushed down, it's got flushed down from there. There's no reason why, like, bullish momentum just rush in right there, you know? So I'm gonna give it one more try. Fuck it. Dude, it's kind of making me mad. Dude. Bottom tick exit. Can't believe it. Dude. You know? See? Like, that's randomness in the market right there. You couldn't avoid, but I just have to take that loss, you know? But now I see bullish again. Just hop back in. Even though it's pretty bad fill, but only 5 micros, you know? Give it. You know, it's my lucky day, my good day. Also, it's like, yo, I just got on stream and they just bottom tick me like that. Like, what the fuck? So unfortunate, right? So everyone have their bad days, bad trades, but it's fine. Just, you know, I do see buyers holding it again, bro. Accumulations, maybe this manipulation we going up. Right here, distribution, but you know, like, still holding this support. I still like it, and that's a long week to fill. Dude, not gonna lie, break back above. I'm gonna add 5 more. Hello, yo. Yo, say what's up to my girlfriend. My wifey. Whoa, 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 whoa. Yeah, I still think it's long. See, like, so with price action, just looking at the candle, buyers trying to push up right here, but seller defend it. But buyers did bring it up. That means like there's momentum in the chart. So I think this is still a good long. Unless it break below here, like just all the way down here, then dude, I'll stay out. Let's fucking go. We got 10 viewers, but you know, price actions, 5 minutes candle, price push up, seller defend, but buyer still has really a lot of momentum to push all the way up here to create this long wick. So I think price is gonna pull up right here without hitting my stop loss. Now I'm gonna add in 5 more. Yeah, it got me a little bit mad right there, but it's fine. Cause today at least I got my other accounts funded up, you know? It's just my combine. Price coming down to retest like all of these buyers again. Let's see. I don't think it's gonna stop me out, to be honest. Yeah, yeah, I know there's a SMT, but you know, like when I look at the market, I look at Bitcoin and other stuff. It's been so bullish, so I think NQ and ES gonna do the same. Cause you know the money, the currency is going down, so money gonna rush into risky, you know, instruments like NQ, ES, you know, stocks, instead of you know putting in like the dollars. But I think it's gonna hold right here. You know, overall, like all the markets are bullish right now because dollars gone down. The government shut down everything. You know, it's too, and they're putting money on risky instruments. They put risk on. They don't want to be safe. It's holding, it's holding. Watch, market open. We're gonna fly to the sky. Just watch. Yeah. But I'm already locked out most of my account. This one, I haven't locked out. Let me lock it out. So I don't do anything stupid, you know? It's just this one right now. We're pretty chill. All funded up, so we're just chilling with the evals. And I'm taking eval slow also, as I say in the Discord, like, you know, when you rush, that's when you start losing. So just I gotta be careful on the evals also, you know, because I don't want to waste money. Because I was 5 express, I took payouts and then like I full port blow them. And you know, I was just rushing back into XFA, so now I just gotta take it slow. I took a payout and I brought the balance back to like 3.5k, and I was like so confident, so like I was just playing stupid and blow the account, even though like I could take another payout, but I was so dumb. Just had to like play another 4 days to get another 1.5 2k payout, but I was dumb. So now, you know, learn from fucking mistake, bro. You gotta be adapt quick. You know, like if you do something wrong, think about it. You know, just think about it. Like, why are you not progressing, and change that right away. Same with the market. Like, you know, adapt with the market. If it's bullish, fucking, you know, market, just buy. Short, you short. Consolidate, you wait. So you just gotta be adapt quick. That's how you progress in trading, bro. Like, adapt. Yeah, I tried, but dude, I blew the account. I was rushing again. I got 2 funded up and I blew them. No, actually I got 3 funded. 25k. Yo, use my promo code so I could get a percentage out of it. Like, it's the same as the promo code. You still get 60% off. But let's see. Blue Guardian. Yeah, I was rushing. I passed the count so easy, but like then I blew all of it. Like the 25k, because it was so cheap, so I was like, I don't give a fuck. I still have 1, but like all close to low, you know. See, I blew 3 accounts already. But dude, here, let me create. What? They're not allowing me to create a code. Yeah, nah, just use that code then. They're not allowing me to. I don't know why, but I passed the funded. They don't give me the certifications at all. Yeah. It's not working. Yeah, so I guess just use their promo code. Yeah, but Blue Guardian is good because in forex industry they're pretty trustworthy. So, but they just moved to futures. They just expand to futures, not move to, but expand. Oh shit, I'm in 10? The fuck? Okay, cool. No, it's only 19 bucks plus $49 activation fee. You know? 19 bucks for 25k account. So basically only 70 bucks for a funded account. And it's pretty good too. You got 750 bucks payout max, which is really good. Oh, so $75 total. That's what I remember, because you know the fees is like 1/10 of the payout. What did I say? They're not gonna stop me out. This is the bottom. What did I say? I seen this pattern. It's Blue Guardian. Blue Guardian, if you search it up. Blue Guardian futures. It's pretty good too. But you know, they have some rules, so you just gotta. But usually that 25 bucks is standard. Usually I do the Guardian so I can pass the same day. But you can do standard, it's way cheaper, no activation fee. Yeah, if you do standard, but they do have a daily loss limit. And if you hit that, it's gonna be a hard bridge. It's not gonna be a soft bridge like other firms. So basically you blow your account if you hit your daily loss limit. Not even the full drawdown, just the daily loss limit. And you have to trade, and there's a consistency rules on eval if you pick the standard account. Because usually I do the Guardian because there's no consistency on eval, so I just pass it the same day. I just don't like to, you know, be around too long with an eval if it's not Topstep. I only take time on eval if it's Topstep. Hell yeah, we got 11 viewers. Let's fucking go. Welcome everyone to the stream. Hold on, let's see one. When anyone asks me about the market, bullish as fuck. Bullish as fuck. And we have structure to trade around with right now, which is really good. If we break out right here, you know, stop loss just below here is good. Let's see. There's a potential for this to go up here. It's only 1,200 ticks. That's pretty normal for NQ. Like, look, this breakout is like 1.31%. So from here to up here is 1.23. It's maybe, but I'll try my stop loss. Because people are trying to short right now. I know that for sure. They're trying to outsmart the market. But that's not how it works. You know, like, when the market's short, you're not going to be able to predict it. It's just going to dump. That's when you know, okay, market change sentiment. Because whenever the market dump, you're not going to know, dude. It's lucky if you catch a top tick, but you're not going to know. Because it's so sudden. Like, look, it's consolidate. It's look like, you know, it's still bullish and then suddenly dump. You know, just like also right here. You're not going to expect it. Because they don't want you to be in the market, you know, so it's gonna be, they're gonna do it so quick that you can catch it. Or like if you do, like, because like, you know, like by the time it go down, it's already too late. You think it's gonna be too late and you're not gonna hop in for the short, and it just keep going down, you know. But this is grinding down, you know, so this short gonna get squeezed out. Because look, if it go down from here, it looks too easy to make money, right? Then I would just hop in a short here and then fucking bang, you know, make a tons right here. You know, if you make money, then who gonna lose money, bro? Definitely not the institution, man. They smart as fuck. So the short trying to make money right here, but just watch. It's just emotions, the market. People are always trying to catch the top and bottom. You know, that's an edge. Like, you short when people are so fucking euphoria, you know, like they think it's gonna keep going up like crazy. Like just like right here, candle close so bullish, right? And suddenly we have a dump. It was so euphoria right here. But right here, like we have a short, which is like, dude, like this is early short. Like they're gonna get squeezed out before the market going down, so it's gonna fill this week. That's a high chance. I don't know, but that's my predictions. You know, the short coming when it's so fucking like unexpected. To be honest, look, it's so close, so bullish. Look like a breakout, then boom, we dump. And you buy when people are scared. Look, just look right here. Would you buy down here? Dude, it looks so bearish, right? People are scared. And my bias was bearish too, but I waited. And I see this. I hop in long yesterday night right here because I see like sellers trying to bring it down, but buyers reclaimed the levels, and it seems like a short squeeze soon because look, we have multiple rejection point right here. You know, this means a lot of short sellers just stack up right here. Also up here, you know. And I know like they're trying to, the thing is you know, long, but it's a short because like the trend is going down, but it's not. Overall daily market is still bullish. And also the reason why I went long right there, not because like, yeah, it looked bearish right here, but because of this, dude, like short trying to bring it down, but it came back up, like buyers destroyed them and short got trapped. All the orders down here got filled, you know, and price reclaimed this level, and I was like, damn, this is a really good long. You know, because more people gonna try to short right here into strength. But I know that this is real demand right here because look how much volume we going up. Dude, like it's just going up instantly. That's when I know like damn dude, I gotta go long, you know. Yeah, gold. Dude, gold is just insane yesterday night. Like I don't even know at this point. Probably market waiting for open right here to go higher, to be honest. And let's see on ES. ES holding the zone, you know? ES holding the zone. So I think we're good. But that was an unexpected bottom tick right there. You know? I would still be good. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay, okay. I like the volume right there. Hell yeah. We're going to the moon. Baby. Hell yeah. Bring the moon to me. Oh, took a little loss, but it's fine. Because I got bottom tick out. Like, that was so unexpected. Dude. You know, like, I was in 5 micros, like, all the way down here. And I was in, like, $600 profit, but I didn't take it. Because I have conviction in this trade. You know? I sent it in the chat, I'm up so much, but I didn't take it. And I was only down 200 for the day. If I take it, that would be a $400 profit. But, bro, I really see NQ going higher. Yeah, the most unlucky bottom tick. Literally bottom tick. No shit. Dude. What the fuck was that bottom tick? If not, I'll be up right now, dude. Not down fucking 600. It's fine. That's why I put my stop loss, gotta accept that, you know. But I see bullish again. I hop back in. We pumping, baby. They're still waiting for market to open. This is initial pump. So we open in 4 minutes. You know, we break out all of the short and we get this huge pump right here because of all of the short cover. So now we just gotta get above this short right here, the zones, you know, the zones right here, and bam, bam, we're good to go to the moon, baby. Can't wait until this pump. Today's gonna be fun if it's pump hard right here. It's a fun day, to be honest, if it pump right here. Trust me, it's gonna pump so high, and it's gonna be a fun day. Next candle, we're finna pump. You think it's a fake out up and pull back? Could be, but like, you know, as I say, it's a still uptrend. That's why like, I prefer long, but it could be like, you know, like trading is uncertainty. Like I cannot promise like this is a, you know, gonna squeeze high, but it's just high probability it's gonna keep going up. My analysis, that's my edge. Just a couple more percent, like I get higher percentage win rate, right? Like because I have an edge, and you know, it's just an edge. I could lose this trade too, but my edge tell me to go long, and it's a higher probability, so I just do it, you know. Bam, we up 300. Come on now. I might go break even right here. Yeah, I'll risk 200. Give it some space. Because it might come back to retest. You know, this is not just analysis, but I read the emotions in the market. People trying to outsmart the market right here. And what? With analysis, we have this buyers holding. But it just was so unlucky that I got bottom tick. You know, people trying to short the market. And watch what the market gonna do to them. Just gotta push above this sellers right here. Think we good for the moon. You see, but the zone I drew out where the sellers at, dude, like exactly price gonna recheck, you see. just right here. But I think it's gonna push through. It's just sellers trying to defend. The more they short, the more squeeze we're gonna get. Come on now. Buyers are strong, you know, just going with the trend. And the good thing is ES is not all-time high yet, so we still have a lot of space until ES all-time high. So ES all-time high, I might take profit, you know, because ES might just hit this and then reverse. But look at that ES fake out. Oh my god. Fake the short. Fucking we're going up bullish. Hell yeah. That's pretty good. As I say, as long as ES holding this zones, we good. This buyer's defended. As I say earlier, you know, we good. Oh, shit. Come on now. Seller defended again. Took another 200 loss. Aw, shit. I still think it's a long, dude. But I gotta wait. I'm gonna wait for price to get back above here. I'm gonna wait. I still think it's a good long. But I need to buyers to reclaim the level right there. Good shit, Lito. Snip buyers to reclaim the levels, and then I'm gonna go for a long. Here we go. I reclaim this. I'll put a stop buy right here. If this candle flip, we go to the moon. If not, then we go down. So that's why I have a stop buy right now. Yeah, that's why I have a stop buy. Have a stop buy. Get ready to entry anytime. But if it's just numb, then I'll cancel it. Yeah, I just took a lot on NQ right here because I was in the long, was in profit, but market open is just dump. But I'm just on my combine, but on my funded, I'm up for today, so I already locked most of it out. But I'm just on my combine chilling. And I was up too, but you know, down 800 is fine. I'm gonna wait. I'm waiting for buyers to reclaim here. I'm gonna go for a long. If not, then I'll just wait. Let's just sit out right here, y'all. Wait for the candle to form. Yes, patient. If it reclaim right here, I would still love to go long, but it's dumping right now. So I'm not interested in right now to short because it's against the trend. So I would wait for it to reclaim up here. Go long, baby. If we can reclaim this, we're gonna have a short squeeze up high. Shit, let's go little. W little. Everyone giving a W. Hell yeah. W short. You know, the reason why I don't short is still bullish. So, you know, if I don't short, then I just wait. If I reclaim, I'll long. If not, then I'll just wait for it to short. I need it to break lower. Now let me remove drawing real quick. Too short. I would need it to break below here again. Break below that zone for me to short. But otherwise, I'm not shorting. And too long. Reclaim this level. I'm gonna go long. Let's see gold. Gold just do nothing. Seems like 4 hours candle about to close bearish right here. Kinda engulfing. Not really, but let's wait, y'all. Patient. You know, because if we go long right here, it could just dumping. But if we go short, it's still an uptrend, you know, so we just wait for it to reclaim the level. That is gonna be a good short squeeze. Yeah, I'm not in long yet. I'm still waiting. Cause a lot of sellers right now. Yeah, just fuck gold, man. As I say, gold is only good during Asia. Most of the time. I try gold during Asia and NQ during New York. Cause sometimes New York, like sometimes Asia NQ is just doing bullshit, you know. But gold really good. But today NQ doing really good during London. Trying to claim the level right here. Yeah, I think it's still a good long, but since I'm going in with huge contract size, you know, I gotta wait for it to reclaim the level right here. So I will have structure, which is I'll put my stop loss just below here. Yeah, I stick to my plan. Definitely do. Just chilling and wait. We wait for the money to set on the table for us to take, you know. We don't need to work for it. We don't need to force anything. Just listen to music and wait for the trade, baby. Cause I already have my zones out. Dude, we have 11 viewers. How come we only have 6 likes? or 5. Come on now, y'all. Give me a thumbs up, please. Now, thank y'all so much. It doesn't make sense, right? We have 11 viewers and only 6 likes. You know, the stream is free. It's 2 seconds to give me a thumbs up, please. This zone's down here in my hole, but you know, still a lot of short momentum, so I wanted to reclaim the level up here for me to go long. Hell yeah, small content creator. Hell yeah. You know, just trying to. Oh, I do see some absorptions down here. I might go for a buy, just small size, and scale in later. Dude, I was gonna go in right here, but I miss it. It's fine. Yeah. I'm gonna try small size first, you know? I think 5 is too much. I'm gonna take out 3. Just 2, just 2. I feel like 2 is good enough. Cause I'm already down for the day. If it reclaimed right here, I could go in a mini. I would go in a mini. Just test out the water real quick. Yeah, but for me to go in like full size, I gotta get a buff here again. Hold on, let me refresh this. Hell yeah, free content. Hell yeah, making everyone days right here. Making everyone happy. You know, giving out some energy, some positive energy. It's still so bearish, that's why I'm only in with 2 right now. That was how I was like 5 is a lot, like, because you see my full size is 10, and that's a lot of selling momentum. So, you know, 2 is good enough. Shit, 4 hours about to close bearish on ES. Yeah, it's so hard to trade NQ right now because you know, it's still an uptrend and I don't want to short this, to be honest. Just wait it out. Let me try this out, see where we at so far. Damn, POC is still down here, so not a lot of volume build up there. This might just dump lower. Let's see though. Oh, that was a good try, you know. Try it with 2 micros. Getting back into value area right here. Low volume note right here is kind of holding. We have low volume note right here. It's kind of holding. Price came back to you know, Vanyara and reject. Try again with 2 micros. Have a trying to have a good stop loss. If it squeezed back up here, dude, like I'm gonna go in full size. To be honest, like if we get all the way back up there. Yeah, but don't go in full size yet. Like this is scary, you know, like a lot of short momentum right here. In order for me to go full size, it's gotta get back up here. Like up there. Nice, dude. W. Alright, seems like low volume note hole right here. If it can squeeze back up here, I'ma hop in full size. Definitely. I would love to hop in full size if it get back up here. Even though I'm down 900, but just gotta be patient, you know? If we get back up here, I'm gonna hop in 10 micros and I can definitely make that back. Just gotta be patient. This sellers right here might defend, but I'm not too worried. Only 2 micros. Set another 2 micro up there for the breakout. POC still down here though. This might be risky. I need POC to move up right here. Here, I'm gonna remove that orders. I need to this swing leg right here, POC to move up slowly. I don't like that POC still down here, you know. I need to see people actually building volume here, so like that means like people accepting price here. So I have to remove that. AMD? Where do you see the AMD? Like right up here? Accumulation? Manipulation? Hell yeah. Us? Kinda AMD too, yeah. Price reclaim up here, I'm gonna go in full size. 1 mini. But right now, just small size. I don't want to risk. No. Oh, AMD is going up. Yeah, I was just been trading futures. Let's see. Oh my. Can't even see the candle. What the oh my god, how many percent we went up today? This is a huge gap. Oh my. What the fuck? Yo. What is AMD doing? Can't even see the candle. That's how crazy AMD is. Whoever got in options long right there, dude, make tons. Yeah, just insane, right? I can't even see the candle. That's how crazy. Like it's a huge stock. It's a big cap stock. At 28%, dude, in one day, I can't believe it. Dude, 28% for a big cap. That's why that's why we got pretty good move here in NQ. Welcome to the stream, Win. Never seen you before. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, definitely if AMD pull back. Yeah, it's a big mover for NQ. Cause ES you can see like it's still holding, you know, it's holding, but NQ is like all-time high. So yeah, definitely AMD was a big mover right there, dude. I want to see NQ reclaim this level for me to go keep going long though. Let's see how gold doing. Oh, gold about to break out. Now let me put on gold chart. There we go. We have liquidity up here too. Yeah, this breakout on gold might be good. Yeah, gold is looking good if you're in long, because we have target up here. Market might look for this huge order right here. Gold does looking good. See how the candle closed though. Should I take a quick scalp on gold? Can go pull back to here. 62. Yeah. Then we have target up here. It's pretty good. 63. Wanna wait for this 30 minutes candle to close real quick. Just set some order. So I don't have to watch it. Try to scalp some gold right here. My stop loss below this. Dude, like if I go long right now, my stop loss gotta be below here, which is like it's really bad. Like that's a $600. One mini. Let's see if we can get a retracement right here. The next 30 minutes candle. A little bit maybe down here. $30 minutes candle on NQ about to close bearish. Dude, I love go long, but like it's better to wait for it to break out so I can have my stop loss just below here. But dude, like if I go long right now, like my stop loss gotta be down there, which is pretty bad. Can NQ pull up right here? Yes, it's dumping. We have some good limit orders right here on NQ at 75. Let's see how we react at this order. Yeah, if NQ can get back up here, I swear to God, we're gonna go so high. But right now, okay, we're getting into the order right now. Hitting the orders. Let's see if if they can push through. Yep, the orders holding NQ. Can we pull back up? Can we pull back up and destroy those orders? Let's go down. Go breaking out. Oh my God. Yep, that's the breakout goal soon. What happened? Why your orders get canceled? Look, it's about to come to the big order right here. You might see a big pop. Dude, should I take a quick scalp? Have a tie stop loss? It's kinda... Looks like gold touch this, gonna pop. It's either we reverse here or we pop high. Yeah, look, it's coming to the order. Oh my God. Yep, let's see if we're gonna... Yep, it just popped. Pop through the order. Let's see if we can get continuations or is it gonna reverse. Oh my God. You missed the tray. It's all good though. Yeah, we got a pop right there at this big orders. Is it gonna continue or is it gonna reverse? That's the question. Oh, it's reversing. We got a quick pop, grab all of that orders. Now we're reversing. Oh. And keep going up right here. Come on. Squeeze through those order. We got more orders up here at the 186. Can we get a break above here? If you want to go long, like confirmation good long, wait for it to get above here. Right now it's pretty risky long. GC just reversed after hitting the orders. Seemed like buyers got exhaust right there, couldn't push through. So if it got back just above here, I'm gonna add in 2 more contracts. Then get back above here, I'm gonna add in more. But otherwise, I'm still in 2. What happened, dude? Might go long here on GC. The market is boring today. You gotta be patient, like in this market. It's like NQ, yeah, wait for it to get above here or like just break below here. GC is trying to break out, but yeah. I'm having 5 right here. Just about 250. So push back above. I'm having 5 more. And stop loss just below this structure right here. As soon as it break out, stop loss just go under here. Let's see if we can squeeze some on GC here. But NQ is just not doing anything yet. Maybe a push down right here. Yo, what's up, Matt? I'm already done with my funded, so I'm just on my eval chilling. Yo, give me a line, Matt. Come on now, Matt. Pretty good, man. Pretty good. Pretty damn good. Yeah. I should say I'm already done with most of my account. And I'm just trying to catch some trade right here on the eval, but damn, dude. Market don't give me any opportunity yet. Let's see if I can get a GC breakout right here. I'm gonna move my stop loss just right below here. Going for higher. MQ is holding. Let's see if I can catch quick scalp. $85. See if I can get this to the 80s. Get ready to take partial too, so I'm gonna set some stop sell so I could trail. Trot this up a little bit. The market is boring today. That's why we don't have that much viewers. Dude. There we go. Here's the squeeze. Getting ready to trail. Gotta watch price action closely right here. Oh, what? That was quick. Just under structure, $200 risk, 250. And I'm getting ready to trail. Let's see if this could keep going up. It's reverse. Come on, just break out. Here we go. Hold on, let me hop on with Matt real quick. Yo, what's up, yo? Yo, what's up, Matt? Yo, I'm out cheesy right here, dude. Seems like the breakout is pretty. It's not looking good. I don't like the volume there when I get close to breakout. I'm looking to. Yeah, if that NQ could reclaim right here, dude, it's gonna be a really good long. I hop out of GC long. I just don't like the volume there of how the price action is doing at the top. Yeah. Market today is pretty slow. Yo, Matt, can you hear me? Hello? Matt. Check. Matt. No, no, no. Yeah. 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 Right. Yeah. But you still green on the day, right? Yeah. That's really good, man. It was fine, dude. But for NQ, if it reclaimed two, if it reclaimed the top right here, I would go in full size, keep going long. But right now I'm only in with 2 micros on my evals, cause it's still at the bottom, no bullish yet. To confirm for bullish move, it gotta get above at least 200. Yeah, like reclaim that area, that mean like short kind of lose momentum right here, and we go for, we might get a short squeeze. But gotta be patient because today market is slow, right? It's hella slow, except the open. We pumping right here. Damn, who got the order fill? Nice. Yeah, cause like the trend's still bullish, you know. It's pretty risky going short. Like, if you look at the 4-hour chart, it's still no bearish candle yet. So, pretty risky going short. I mean, like going long, we do have good risk and reward too. Yeah. How many macros you in? Yeah. What's your stop loss? Like 200? Okay. Oh, you had in there. It's fine. It's fine. It's in. Hell yeah. Welcome back. And NQ just doing nothing. It's just like buyers and sellers that fighting right now. So we're consolidating. You know, in order for short to go like, for this to dump, it's gotta get below 120 right here. Like this low volume note I threw out right here is holding. So below that, short. Above here, long. That's the two zones. And but for now, they still fighting. So nothing much. Yep. Nothing much in the market. Morning Mango, welcome to the stream. Haven't seen you before. Welcome to the stream. Dude, I really want to go long full size, but I want it to reclaim the 200 at least, you know. But below that, it's just gonna consolidate and doing some bullshit. It's either it's gonna dump through the low volume note right here and we go down, or it's gonna pull back up, or between here, it's like it's just consolidate, you know. Damn, we got 16 viewers. Let's go. Hell yeah, Mango, hop on my Discord, cause we be trade every day during New York. Hell yeah. Travel light. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. We got some good people in here. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Help out this little creator. Yeah, but NQ just consolidate right now, so just hope that, you know, as you unfund it, I hope that it's gonna drop below the low volume note right here for it to keep going down for you. I'm just on an eval, cause I'm already done with my funded, so I don't care if I lose this trade. Also, I'm only in 2 micros, bro. And if it goes above here, I have a stop market buy right here. 8 micros, going full size, all-time high. Hell yeah, market don't move right now. They still fighting. It's fine though. It's fine. Hell yeah, definitely, dude. Yeah, I hop out the GC long right there. That was a good hop out. I don't like the volume when it's approach the high. Like it just, I don't like it. I don't see buys strong enough to just push through. So I hop out right there. But let's see if we can make something out of NQ. Just solid 8. Dude, not gonna lie, this shit could consolidate until power hour, bro. Not gonna lie. Looking at the chart. Cause like we're like at resistance, and you know, like we're still in the uptrend, so you know, we have a long wick here, so dude, like looking at this, it might consolidate, to be honest. For the it's also Monday. Unless we break the low right here. Yeah. Unless we break the low right here. Get out of the zones. Yeah. Just gotta press buy to be profitable. You don't need a strategy, bro. Just press buy. That's all you gotta do. Buy every fucking dip, right? If you see a dump, just buy that fucking dump. Who give a fuck? Dude, I might go long GC here again soon. We better try. Pulling back up. We're trying to go long GC real quick. See if we can get a good breakout right here. I hope this time it break out. If we can get above all of this right here, like it's gonna be huge. Yeah, you see, I take crazy trade, right? Pretty good. I'm up on most of them. Like 700 on this one. 700 on this one too. I'm up 2k on the Boonox. About to get payout there on Boonox. For this one, I'm up 200. Pretty good. And this XFA is up too, but dude, like the market this morning is not for me. Yeah. Yeah, I already locked it out like since yesterday night. Cause I know that Monday morning might just DD around, you know. But yesterday Asia gave us some good moves though, right? Yeah. Oh, it was London. London type. Yeah. Welcome Mango to the Discord. I see Mango in the Discord. Let's go. Wait, how much was the peak? Yeah. Yeah. We need like 10 more, 15 more people, you know, for the peak. Hell yeah. Thank you, Asin. Thank you for keep reminding people. Damn. Thank you for all the support. The NQ going down right here for you, Matt. Just for you. Just watch out. It might pull up here. Who knows, bro? We're at the VWAP. VWAP is holding. Going NQ just leading around. Go trying to break out, but dude. The fuck. Just break out already. For me. Go to another all-time high. Yup. Here we go. Let's go fucking baby, go! Go, 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 go! Up 300. I still think this could go higher. This. Dude. No, I think 70. We got some orders right here and 85. But I'll look for 85. Cause we just broke out, so like I don't think 78 gonna hold, you know. I think it's gonna poke through with huge volume right here. We come straight to 85. Oh my fucking god, go. Up 500. Fuck. Hold on, let me try my stop sell orders. You know? Just gotta be safe. I'll take out 5 if this pullback 76. My god, man. Nick just caught the breakout right there finally, bro. I was waiting for that shit, bro. You know, at first it come up, but I don't see a lot of volume hop out. So right here, I see volume coming in again. Hop back in, you know? Just gotta be quick and adaptable, you know? You cannot just stick in the trade. But it's holding. I need it. It's just continuations right here. Take 5 out. Took 5 out. Let's go, gang. Took 5 out right there. 300 bucks. 280 bucks. Then I'm gonna let this one run. Free trade, baby. Just like that. You see, it hit the orders and it's kind of stall out. So it might keep going, but like I don't want to risk it, you know. But we do have a huge order here at the 85. Oh my god, just keep going, Matt. Matt. What's up, Loki? Welcome to the stream, Loki. Welcome back to the stream. I've seen you before. Oh my god, it's just pushing. Matt, going crazy, Matt. It's going for me. Finally. Caught a good trade. Dude. Yeah, nothing until the 85. The 80s. Keep going for Nick. Yes, sir. Let's go, Mango. Huge. Dude, finally caught a trade in the fucking consolidations. Gold was consolidated for so long. I see it was breakout right there, but like at first, the first leg trying to break out, I don't see a lot of volume hop out, you know. And second one, come back up with way more volume. I know this shit gonna break out, so give it a try. Finally, bro. Shit. Oh my god. Shit. 85 coming. Okay, 80 orders just hit right there. This might pull back. I'm gonna take 2 more out. I'll take 2 more out. It's kind of stalled out right there after hitting the orders. Dude, it's gonna be huge if it hit 85 right here. Oh yo, after hitting 80, it's just stalled out, going back down right here. Dude, took another 2 off, baby. We back up. Minus 500 for the day, but we're back up, you know. No, I was up so much on NQ, but I didn't take. I was having a lot of convictions long, you know, so I added more contracts, and I took like $400 loss. Beautiful long here on NQ, to be honest. Background, yeah. Let's get should I get set up like a green background? Yeah. What background? Or like just do decorations around my room? Yeah, decoration is better, right? Yeah. Damn, bro. Bull and a bear. Damn, that'd be 6. Yeah, after hitting the 80 order, it's just kind of stall out and going down right here. I might get stop out, break even for the 3 orders. Dude, don't stop me out. It's only 3 contracts. Bro, I exited like, yo. Bookmap's so good, right? You see the order, you see price stall out, and then you exit, right? 2. Look, like hit this order hit, and then it's continuate, but like this order hit, stall out, and then we dump. Duh. That was a huge trade though. W! Let's go. Thanks, man. Between bubbles? Oh, so you click on here and you turn this off. You turn best bid and ask off, and you turn on last price. So look, if you see best bid and ask, it's gonna look like this, right? But if you turn it off and just turn on last price, it's gonna look like this. How's NQ doing, bro? I think I'm still in it. Yeah, I'm still in it. I was trying to break the low right here. Let me move to NQ. Yeah, no problem, Spook. Anytime, man. If you have any questions, just let me know, Spook. I got you. To if NQ reclaim like above this zone again, I'm gonna add more contracts. But dude, I don't wanna add more contract in this zones because I just consolidate. I need a breakout. Yes sir, anytime, Spook. Go through is beautiful, right? Give me a little bit of dopamine right there. Just straight breakout. Yeah, so at least something, you know, because like when you trade and the market just consolidates, kind of annoying you sometimes. That's why I'm in small positions. But you see, if it's consolidated like this, if I'm unfunded, I'm not gonna even trade it. Yeah, it might drop later, but damn, seems like 4,000 this week, bro. Not gonna lie, it's like right there, bro. We're at 77. Yeah. Dude, I remember we was in this consolidation zone like 3,900, 3,800. No. Yeah, 38. No, not there. We was like all the way down here. I remember we was like 3,400. And now we're almost at 4K. That's huge. Dude, like gold is just insane. I don't know, bro. But it seems like fucking governments and banks are buying gold. And then like, you know, like people start rushing to buy gold too. Like they buy fucking, you know, bracelet, fucking or like just go and save it, you know. Big up how long? What you mean big up? What do you mean by that? How long I've been trading? 5 months. April, so 5 months. 5 months. So just turned October, 5 months. But I remember I passed my first account at the end of April. But I was just gambling. Because I didn't know what I was doing. Okay, breakout right here. Now it's flush. Oh man. Man, why did you exit? It was about to break out right there. If this reverse right here, bro, like volume gonna pick up and we just pull all the way back to the top. If it don't go down from here. Oh my god, seems like volume picking up here. Okay. Hell yeah. Yeah, if this pull back up, bro, like, dude, like, we're gonna go back to the top so quick. Like, with no consolidation, bro. Because, like, they already done business, like, took out some of the short right there. Because, like, they was stacking, some of the buys right there, you know, because they was stacking some buys. You know, all of this fucking double bottom, all of this shit. So now if this reverse, it's gonna go so quick. Because they've done business. Yeah, that's why I'm in 2 micros, bro. That's why I put 8 contracts up here, bro. Do I want to go fucking a mini right here? No, I don't, bro. This is like, dude, I'm going against trend. Even though the trend is up, but like, you know, the trend is going down. But dude, if this reverse right here is gonna pull back to the top so quick, and we gotta break out to an all-time high right here. Like trading? Dude, like trading is, I mean, like, you should give it a try, man. Like, it's, you know, you should try stuff in life, like experience stuff, and later when you get older, you know, like, yeah, I've been trading, and is it easy or hard? You know, like, just get experience. It's fun to get experience, to explore things, you know. It's hard, but you know, you can try. Just explore things, you know. Who knows? It might work for you, you know. I feel like, you know, just actions, you know, like if you want to do it, then just do it, you know. Just take actions. If this seems interesting to you, just give it a try. You might love it, you know. Dude. But Han, dude, like, he been killing it. He been taking payout. He about to buy a car with the payouts money, bro. W Han. Yeah. And he's good. Dude, if this reverse right here, bro, I'm telling you, bro, like, it's gonna pull back all the way to the top. But if it dump from here, if it get back to the low right here, bro, it's gonna dump. A lot of sellers right here, but couldn't push price down. How's Go doing? Oh, Go's still going up, bro. They stopped me out and then go back up. Fuck Go. You know, I never seen Go like retrace that much. If it go, it just go, right? Most of the time it just go instead of like retrace like this. But today I retrace. Low volume note right here, hold. This is the second test. And also we sweep the low, you know. You can see my screen. So let's see if we can pull back up. Come on, baby. Treat me good. Dude, we got 16 people in the stream right now. Let's fucking go. Yo, Matt, I think NQ might reverse for you. By the way, you don't work today, Matt? So what you doing right now, bro? Oh. Oh, for this trade, I'm just testing the water out, but I'm in 2 micros because like we're at low volume node right here. I'm betting that this low volume node gonna hold, but for confirmation trade, I want it to get back above here. I'm gonna be in another 8 micros, you know. But as I said, it's still an uptrend, so I'm just following the trend, right? Why would you short when it's an uptrend? You know, so that's my confluence right there. And right here, I do see some, you know, buyers getting, sellers getting absorbed right here. Big sellers, but no progress, no follow through. That means like some limit buyers absorb them. And price stall out. And look, price going up. Now aggressive buyers start stepping in. So this might be the reversal point right here, going all-time high again. You know, you can see buyers stepping in again. But I needed to break at least up here to like go for more. So for gold, we do have 85 as the target right here if gold pull up. You can use this as the target that's ordered in the market right here. This is act like liquidity. So market gotta trade based on liquidity, right? So like if it keep going, it might reverse at the 85 or it's continuations. Market close in 10 minutes. Today holiday, bro? No. What? Today's holiday? Hold on, let me check up. I don't think today's holiday. I was checking. Yeah, today's not holiday. No, the market is not closed in 10 minutes. What? What? Oh, let me see. What the fuck? It's a holiday? What the fuck? No. But who's... Yeah. Oh yeah, I saw she hopped on Discord, but I never talked to her before. Probably she saw one of my YouTube videos. No, I'm checking if today's holiday. No, we don't close early today. We're not. Yeah, probably him in NYAM. Then we're about to head to lunch time, you know. Yeah, cause today's. Now we are. It's not holiday. Yeah. Sellers holding again. Dude, but I think we can break out to all-time high again, Matt. What do you think? If we reverse right here, to be honest, get above this again, 200 at least. We go to the moon. Swear to God. Yeah. You good? You good, Siren? I didn't know. Like I thought you say like market close in 10 minutes because usually holiday like they close around this time to 10:30. Yeah. Yeah, but sometime lunchtime the market do run. It just depends where price at. If price is breaking out, even lunch they might run. But if it's just consolidate, it's just consolidate. Dude, I don't think so, bro. Yesterday, bro, Asia run crazy. The bang was working. Definitely, the bang was working, man. Dude, no way. Go was running. NQ was running. Dude, we got 20 viewers. Let's fucking go, y'all. 20 viewers. Give me a light, but you gotta go to work. Dude, just go to work. It's fine. Just be on your phone if you want to talk. Peak. Yes. Yeah, it's not the peak. Yeah. Hell yeah. Definitely, dude. We go up like fucking like to the moon. Hell yeah. No pick here. I'm looking for NQ to go 50k right here. No pick, man. Today. Hell yeah. Bro, but when do you think NQ gonna reach 50k? It's 25k right now. Oh, nice. You got a short on NQ. That's pretty good, Siren. Yeah, Siren. Yeah, that was a really good short. But what do you say, Matt? Sorry. In a decade? 5 years, dude? You think 5 years NQ gonna go up 100%? Dude. Damn, bro. I need to borrow some money. It's just all in NQ right here. Fucking to the moon 50k. But dude, yeah. Hop on your phone. Patrick Willen, yeah. What's that? Like, is it like competition between traders in his team? Sarah, yeah, I got others too. I got this one, and I got this one, and right now I got this one because I took payout and I upload some of it. Like, that was dumb. But yeah, dude, like, man, that's cool. You want to give it a try? But what do you win though? Like 50k cash? What? Dude, but like for fucking how much? For 50k? Dude. Dude. What the fuck? 30 fucking... That's life-changing... Fucking life-change money right there, bro. 50k? Dude. Cash. Oh my god. Siren asking, what do you... What one... Which platform I like the most? Probably Topstep, yeah. Because, you know, it's just like a lot of community. But for rules... Topstep pretty easy too, but I like top one because as soon as you reach 3k, you can get 2.5 instead of Topstep. It's like 1.5. You can only take 1.5, 50% of your balance, which is 1.5 on Topstep. Which one do you like the most, Matt? I mean, like, you haven't tried any profit, but like in terms of rules, you which one do you think is the best? Yeah, because you can take a chunk of payout, right? Yeah. Hell yeah. But definitely yeah. Hell yeah, gotta rock with the best, you know. It's expensive, but like, you know, they have a whole community. and everything, like just really good. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, for Topstep, you only can take 50% of your winning. And the rules is like you only need 5 days of $150 to eligible for payout. So whatever is your balance, you can take 50% of that. And also once you take a payout, your drawdown gonna draw to $0. So let's say if you are like up 3k, you take 1.5k. Before you have 3k drawdown, right? But now you only have 1.5 because like I mean like the drawdown stopped trolling basically. But I mean like as soon as you get above 2k, drawdown stop trolling, right? Oh yeah, we don't pick around here. Only up. Okay, I'm going up. Hell yeah, I'm going up. NQ holding low volume. No. Good short right there, Matt. Good exit. Not gonna lie. That was good short. No, the low volume note hold right there. Low volume note does work, right? Dude, it just worked. Alright, see ya. Yeah, no problem, Siren. If you have any question, just ask me. And also we have a Discord community right here, so just hop on, and if you have some fun. If you have any question, you can ask us in the chat in Discord. But NQ just consolidating today. I'm gonna hop off around 11 because I gotta study for my exam, and I'll see you guys tomorrow, so within an hour. But price action is not moving, it's just some days just like that, especially today's Monday, first day of the week. So but as soon as price get up here or like get below here, it's gonna move quick. Get back above this zone right here. I'm gonna add in a couple more contracts, and up here's my final add. But below here I don't want to add because I still consolidate. I want to get out of this consolidation zone before I do anything. POC move up. So seems like buyers supporting price. POC move up right here. I'm gonna put 2 contracts stop by right here. See if we can get brick above. So I can add 2 more up there. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Just gotta get out of the zone and we good. It's either to the downside or upside, but I'm betting on the upside right now. And price gonna start moving. No stream could hear you. What you mean? Just hop on your phone, bro. If you wanna talk. But let's go. Let's fucking go long and kill, y'all. And kill pulling up right here. We got back break back above. Yes, also going up. We're looking good. Just gotta break above here and then like it's gonna go, price gonna move quickly towards the upside. No lie, I might add in 2 more. For this one, I'll add in as soon as it got above 200. I like the volume here. Nice, little. Yeah, I've been in this long for so long. Ah, you good? Welcome back, little. Yeah, I took a huge go short, go long right there. I was anticipating in I was anticipating a gold breakout and got a huge breakout. Hell yeah, you know I would look for long. Now I'm in NQ. It's now time for NQ to break out right here. It's time. NQ is holding low volume note pretty good long. POC also move up. And ES is moving up also. Dude, I hate that, but nice try, bro. Yeah, that's why I'm trying to have a good stop loss, you know, so I can let this run. I needed to get out of the zones, or else it's just gonna keep consolidating in here. I feel like I need to wait for NQ to get up here before I add any contracts. It's risky to just add right here, because it might tap and go down. So I'm gonna just wait. I feel like NQ could go all-time high again today. Continuations here. There's a lot of people trying to short, and market is holding. And as soon as price pull back here, those short, they gotta cover. So let's see though. But you know, going long is going with the trend. You safe. Welcome everyone to the stream. Come on, we got 20 viewers. Let's go. Give me a thumbs up. Come on, push the stream up to everyone. Let's see how Go doing. Yeah, that was a good exit on Go. Yeah, I'll explain the bookmap. So hold on, let me zoom this in. So let's see book map right here, right? So as you can see here, buyers trying to push up, but we have sellers over here defending the price. Price kind of choppy right here, so it's hard to look at, you know, all the bubbles and price action, but you know, it just makes sense. Like there was sellers right here, so if we push above this zone and we push above this sellers right here, they will get indentures and they're gonna cover their positions and we're gonna go higher. But the reason why I got in right here, because there was buyers over here. There was a big buyers over here. You can see there are buyers over here holding price. So the first zones of buyers, you see, it was kind of holding, but it failed the first zone. So like we came to the second zones and buyers right here defended and price pulling back up. That's mean like buyers don't want to give up their positions. They don't want to get covered. They defending it. So, and the trends are also up. So it's make more sense if you just like buy at the big bubbles, like the green bubbles, right? Instead of like, okay, it's at a big red bubble right now and you're trying to short, right? Because it's an uptrend. And also, yeah, the bigger bubble, the bigger orders. So like area where like, you know, strong buyers is like really strong, you know, like they're gonna hold price really well. Like first it came to this big buyers, it didn't hold, so like we have a huge dump. But like we come to this orders down here and sellers get absorbed. Like, so big orders, right? We have big order sellers, but price didn't push through, then progress, you know, like a lot of effort but no reward. That means like some limit buyers right here is holding price firm, you know. So like all of these sellers, you know, they kind of get trapped right here, you know, a lot of sell, but like price can push down, and usually I call it absorptions, you know, which a lot of sellers but no push through, no progress, no nothing, price might reverse. Like you see right here, you know, buyers trying to push so hard, right? But it couldn't push through, so it reversed. So now we're coming back there. So, but the reason why we don't see red bubbles right here, even though price going up, because it is not aggressive order. Like these bubbles are like market orders. So limit orders not gonna present in on the chart like with the bubbles, you know. Like this just mean a lot of fucking limit sell orders just defend price right here and buy price so hard. Like a lot of aggressive buyers trying to push through, but they couldn't. How do I know about bookmap? I was just searching about, like, you know, I was just really curious about strategy and stuff, and I found order flow. The first thing I learned was footprint chart. So I found this guy. He's a huge YouTuber too. But like, you know how, and then I start to do more research on order flow, and I see that order flow you trade with you know, the data. You're not guessing. So like you make your trades based on logic, not just, you know, like guess, okay, this on my hold, this on my not, you know. But you actually see the orders and what's going on between the sellers and the buyers. So this is the first guy I watch. Uma, yeah. But and then this the guy I learned bookmap from, and this is the best guy to, he explained live trade. Watch this video right here. It's not bookmap, it's a different app, but you know, it's about order flow. You know, it's the same order flow. It's just bookmap, it's a different type of present the chart, you know, like instead of like, you know, footprint chart, it present in bubbles, you know. And also how I get these zones and why price hold it, it's a low volume note. If you research about order flow, you know, you would know it's a low volume note right here, and you see price respected. So, and POC move up, POC was down here. So if we flush through this low volume note, we're gonna come down to the zones, you know. If we flush through this, we come down to the zones, because in between here, it's just pretty, you know, not really that strong buyers. But down here is where most of the buyers come in. So we might come back here to retest these buyers, you know. But right now, price holding low volume note, we're going up. Yeah, if you know, it's just strategy. Like, what matters is your mindset. Do like all the strategy. Like, if your strategy make you profitable, yeah, just keep trading that strategy. You don't have to learn new things, because like more things just gonna make you confused. Like, just keep it as simple as possible, man. Like, it's, at first I was just trading with naked chart, like looking at the candles, price actions, no order flow, no nothing, you know, and still make a little bit of money, you know. But not that, I was not that accurate like now, because now like I can see the order in the market and I know the zones, so I know like if buyers or sellers hold it or not. So I can take a trade with, like, you know, with knowing that like this shit gonna hold and it's gonna go up. That's a high chance gonna go up. Instead of like back then I was guessing, okay, this might hold and stuff like that, you know. I'm from Texas, but like I was born in Vietnam. Hell yeah. So look, we have a lot of sellers right here, right? They're defending price. If you can see this real time, like sellers over here. So as soon as we push above here, you're gonna see us fucking going up quick, and we come to test the next zone, which is this one. If this don't hold, we go to all-time high. That's why I have my stop market buy right here for 8 micros. Yeah, you don't have to change anything, you know, because like it's just gonna confuse you. Like with your strategy, you know, right now, like if you learn another strategy, the other strategy might tell you to go short, but this one tell you to go long. Like, which one you gonna take, you know? Dude, what the? Oh, you got out little? Thanks, Asin. You got out? Yeah, I'm still in the trade. I have my stop loss down here. Pretty good stop loss. I gotta have a good stop loss, you know. But sellers seems holding right here. We need to push above here for all of the sellers to hop out, for it to keep going up. So I might just come down, retest buyers again. So now if this time buyers strong, they're gonna push all of that sellers out. Damn, bro, how many contracts you do, bro? Like, if you do small size, you shouldn't be scared. Like, now this is small size compared to 150k account, so I'm pretty chill. So now look, as soon as I come back to retest this buyers right here, so if this buyers hold and come back with stronger volume, we're gonna definitely push out the sellers. So look, you're gonna see price react at each of the big bubbles right here. First bubbles coming, you know, we're at the top of the bubbles, but we already see some, you know, reactions right here. But let's see. But we come into the first buy right here. Look, it's either they're gonna hold or it's gonna break and we flush down towards here, you know. If they hold, we pull back up. We're on top of those buyers and seems like they're already holding, you know. Let's see though. Nice. Welcome to the stream, everyone. Let's go. We got 21 views. Give me a thumbs up. I'm getting off stream in 30 minutes though. No, at 11, so 40 38 minutes. Cause I gotta study for exam. I'm in college. See, like some of this buyers already holding price already. So like if we push below this buyer, it's gonna flush down towards this zones. So if we get below 140 right here, 143, you know, we flush down towards this zones down here. $22 viewers, let's go, baby. Give me a sub, a thumbs up. It's free, you know. And thank you so much. Thank you for all the support. Price just consolidating right now. That's why I'm trading with small size. But if it got up here, I'm gonna trade huge. This guy, you gotta be patient here. Buyers holding again. And we do have order at the 180, so I think price gonna pull up for this orders right here. So 180 is just right here. It's either continuations or reversal, but I think it's gonna continue. But I think this is market gonna target this right here. This huge order. Volume coming in, picking up. I like this trade. Coming up for the 180 right here. Damn, fuck it. I like this trade. I'm gonna scout 2 more in right here. Soon price push above here. Soon price push above. We're gonna have a run to 180 right here. Big bubbles, kind of stall out a little bit. Let's see if we can get continuations right here. Yeah, I know. But I'm still betting it's gonna break out the range though, going all-time high. I have conviction in this trade, to be honest. But let's see though. Let's see if we can get a breakout. In 6. Yep, we're going for the 180. As soon as we tap 180, we might have a pop right here. It's gonna pop high. Here we go. Going for that 180 order. It's either we pop high on the 180 or we reverse consolidate again. Let's see if the 180 got filled right here. Up here, I'm gonna add in 8 more. I'm adding 8 contracts. Getting close to the 180. If we flush below this buyer, watch, price gonna flush down. This, all of these buys right here, we flush below. It's gonna flush down. So let's see if we can get continuations right here. Think buyer's gonna hold right here to grab the 180 orders. No, buyer's gonna get flushed down. Hold it, hold it. Yes, hold it. Buyer's holding. You see, tap into green balls. Whoever went long right here, some institution, you know, they defend the positions. So if we flush through here, it's gonna flush down, you know. Oh, we flush through this green balls. Yep, we're back into the consolidations. God damn. Come on now. There's some buyers down here, hold, so we can grab the 180 orders. Yeah, see, buyers fell, so it just flushed below. So like, if now buyers reclaim again, it's gonna go for this definitely. It's like this short gonna hop out. Let's see if buyers down here hold though. But you see, as soon as we flush through the big bubble, like it just flushed down. So now if this buyers right down here hold, we're going back up. But if it just flushed through here, it might go lower. "26 people in the stream. What the fuck? Give me a sub and a thumbs up. Let's go, gang." So now we change to seller size. So if it got above this red ball, it's gonna squeeze up, you know. Or else if it got respect, then we might keep going down, you know. So now it's a fight between buyers. Buyers right up over here, right? And sellers right here. So let's see who's gonna win right here. But you know, as I do an analysis on the higher time frame, I still love the all-time high, going back to all-time high. Buyers holding the right down here. Can we get above this again? And break out. Come on. Hell yeah, aggressive buyers step in right there. Come on, keep stepping in. Yeah, we're at VWAP right now. VWAP is holding, definitely. And you know, low volume note holding based on my analysis. So I feel like there's gonna be another all-time high right here. You know, also we're going with the trend, right? Like, dude, like it just makes sense. The trend is holding, so what? This you know, a higher low So now I'm trying to make a higher high. Just follow the trend. Unless like it flush all the way back down here, like flush through this low, then like that's a bearish right there. You know, you should never ever going against the trend if you want to become profitable. For me to change my balance is like flush back below this point, which is like, dude, like this buyers fell and then now it's like a low high soon. Yeah, but seems like NQ going for 180 orders right here. Let's see. I feel like as soon as hit this 180 orders, it's gonna pop high. It's gonna get out of this range. For sure, look. So if I mark 180 right here, you see volume start gonna pick up as soon as hit the order. Because this is liquidity in the market. Watch for that 180 zone. You gonna see? It's either we push up so high, get out of this zone, or we reverse. Buyers get absorbed. If buyers strong enough, they're gonna, you know, push through all of this sell limit orders, and they're gonna cover, and we're gonna go high. Come in for the 180. Come on. Yeah. And you know, like, it just makes sense to go long, dude. Like, because we have a long wick too. Like, it's imbalance in the market. It's gonna get filled. We gotta at least fill halfway, right? It's not just gonna. And look at all of this bullish candle. 4 hour chart trying to create a higher high, right? Dude, it just makes sense. It's trying to create a higher high on the 4 hour chart right here. It's a breakout. Just watch for that 180 level. Look, you're gonna see how bookmap works. Like, look at volume gonna pick up. You don't see this on the chart. You don't know where's the liquidity at. You might think liquidity is this swing high, but it's not. Or this. I don't know. But right here on bookmap is 180. Real order in the market. Just watch for that level. And you see I use this as a target because liquidity. I target liquidity. Yeah, I still back test, dude. Yeah, hell yeah. I used to back test a lot though. But the suck thing about order flow is like you cannot back test. You know, this is real time, so like to back test, like, dude, like you cannot replay it back. If you want to replay it back, like you gotta save the data, which is a lot of storage. Let's see if we can get the 180 level right here. Coming back down to retest this buyers right here. Look, see, buyers right here. Come back down, buyers holding. You see how the bubbles work, you know? And bubbles getting aggressive right here. Going for 180 orders. Here we go. Yep. As soon as we tap that, volume gonna pick up right here. Liquidity in the market. Yeah. Nice. Let's see if we can get a pop though. Come on. Nice, aggressive buyers stepping in right there. Nice. We got more people on our side. Hell yeah. I like that. Coming for the 180. Oh no, buyers. Come on, buyers. Top the 180, baby. Show me some. I want to show my people how bookmap works, you know, like just watch the price action. Yeah, just got us out of here, bro. God damn it. Just tap into the 180. I think it's you know, this buyer's gonna get aggressive and seller's gonna hop out right here. Cause like this limit sellers, as soon as they see like aggressive, oh, tap into the 180. No, not yet, not yet, not yet. That was a lot of aggressive buyers, but price stall out. This might not be good. I need price to come back right here. I don't want price to fall down from here because we're gonna get back into the range. But this doesn't look good. A lot of buys ordered, but like it didn't, you know, push progress through. You know, this doesn't look good. Come back for the 180, baby. Come back for that shit. Yeah, it's coming back. Let's go, buyers. It's coming back. Dude, I don't like when I see something like this, just big green balls and then price just stall out, you know. But let's see, I still think it's gonna go up. We still hasn't filled this yet. So this might be to just shake some people out, you know, before the real move here. You know, they gotta shake, they gotta shake. Yeah, the 920. I use 921, but they're all the same. 20 and 21 the same. Yeah, we're uptrend on a 1 minute time frame right here. You know, 5 minute crossing. So like 180 right here, it's gonna go up. Come on, get me the level. Now I think sometime, you know, lunch hour, if it breakout, it's still gonna go. It doesn't matter. Like lunch hour, if we're still in this range, then we can consolidate. But if we could get out of this range, then lunch hour gonna run. What, isn't a rejection good? More sellers? What do you mean? Okay, coming for 180 right here with volume. You know, even though it's reject, but we haven't filled this yet. You know, market not gonna stop until it fill this. It's like right there, you know. Most of the time it's gonna fill. That's why I'm still in long. And look, price pullback and buyers over here holding. You know, we have some buyers over here, you know. Looking for 180 right here. Coming up for 180, baby. Ah, squeeze them out. Come on. Show me some good price action right here. Where's the volume? Top end, volume gonna pick up right here. Yeah, they keep trying to short, man. Like I think if it push below above this range, we're gonna get a short squeeze. And above here is a confirmation. We go all time high. That's why I have 8 orders up there. Coming for the 180 again. We haven't touched it. Come on. Feel it. Push through it. Don't fucking go down before you feel it. I know you want to feel it. Look, how bad like does NQ want to feel 180 right now? Look at this shit. It's trying. Okay, coming up 180. We're at 178. Come on. Give me some volume. Push through. Just watch. The chart gonna start running fast. Just push through. Come on. Ain't that hard, bro. I'm asking you for just one thing. Alright, coming up here. God damn it. Stop DDD around. Okay, there we go. Got order fill right there. You know, volume picking up a little bit. There we go. We push through this, volume gonna pick up right here. There we go. Let's fucking go, gang. Hell yeah. Keep going. Continuations. Don't flip. Push through the 180. Push through it. I don't want it to fall back down below this huge green ball. Dude. Keep going. Keep going. We got the order fill right there. It's either reverse or we push through out of this range. Damn, bro, it's stall out after hitting the order. Hell yeah. If you know you're consistent on paper, you're trying to get a funded account. Buyers holding, buyers holding. Let's wait. Let's hope buyers push through right here again. If buyers can push above here again, volume gonna pick up. We're gonna fucking flush. Like, we're gonna rocket to the moon. There we go. We're going to the moon, as I say. Let's fucking go. Push through. Push through. Just that 180. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, volume pick up. Hell yeah. Let's fucking go. Yeah. We out of that zone. Just up here. Keep going. Hell yeah. There we go. As soon as we push above that, we're in a new zone, baby. New zone. So sellers over here might defend. Like over here. Hold on. Like right up here. But I still feel like we go all time high, baby. Sheesh. Look at that candle. Oh. I'm going to the moon, boys. Fuck yeah, that 180. Just gotta get through there. Up here, I'm adding more. Volume picked up. We out of that zone. Let's fucking go. I might add more right here at this aggressive buyers instead of like adding up there. I'm gonna add 2 more at this buyers. Let's see if they hold. This buyers right here. I added 2 more. The broke out buyers right here. The big orders. They gotta hold it. If not, we're going back to the zone. There we go. Holding. Hell yeah. They hold it. They held it. Up 400. Oh my god, we just go up, y'all. Shit, this thing going parabolic soon. You know, we're pretty. The momentum is way further than the EMA 9. That's really good. Shit. Take 2K. Move my stop loss. You know, I could bottom tick right here, but I was just like I was already in the positions. The zone I threw out was a low volume note. It held. Could bottom tick. Usually I would bottom tick right there, to be honest. All-time high, baby. What? Who's gonna stop NQ from all-time high now? Does it look like it wanna go all-time high now? It does, right? Let's see how many percentage is that gonna be. 1.2. Not too bad. Yeah, it's, you gotta be patient, little. Like, you gotta know, like, you gotta look at the bigger pictures. Like, you know, if this go all-time high, you would, you know, kind of hold on to position, man. Oh my god, buyers just fucking god damn it. You see how patient I was? I've been in this trade since open. Fuck yeah, buyers just a 500, you know, just little 500, looking for 2K. I might scale more in if we get above here, to be honest, man. This is good volume. You know, even though it's lunch hour, but as I say, if we get out of consolidation zone, it's still gonna go. Doesn't matter. Going all-time high, baby. Oh my god, NQ. Oh my god, NQ. Bro, NQ not gonna stop, dude. Once it break out, it's just gonna go. I swear to God. No, it's fine, dude. That's why I have a wide stop loss, you know, because if you aim for a big trade, you gotta be able to have a good stop loss, because like it's not some scalp, you know. This is not a scalp. This is like literally the whole bias trade. Like, I'm expecting today to go all-time high. It's a whole day trade. Like, it's like I'm catching the intraday trade, not just scalping. Hell yeah! Look at the volume. We're gonna go all-time high. And you see all of these buyers? Dude, I think I'm gonna flush back through all of these buyers. You tell me. They committing in the market. This is millions of dollars, right? You know? We're going to the moon. We just go, man. Not gonna stop. As soon as breakout, it's not gonna wait for anyone. Hold on, let me send this to Matt. Dude. Yo, if you are not in the Discord, hop on the Discord. It's a free community, you know. We have fun. And if you want to use Bookmap, I have a $10 plan, because I'll stream on Discord 24/7, you know, because like Bookmap, like, it's pretty expensive. If you're not ready to buy it, you want to, you know, do a trial, you know, just hop on. And, you know, here's the link. to the book map, like, cause like this gonna give you a role to access the book map room in Discord, and I'll live stream it 24/7. Let me get the link. So like, if you don't have the money to spend for book map, like not the money, but like, you know, like if you're not ready to commit buying it yet, you can try it out on my Discord. Let me get the link real quick. It's like book map is pretty expensive, to be honest, dude. Like the 2 data I got is like $74 already. Like for Comex and CME, you know, so pretty fucking expensive. What the fuck? Where's my... Hold on. Kinda lost right here. To the moon. Yeah, so it's only $10 a month, and you can see the book map on Discord, because I'll live stream it 24/7, you know, if you're not ready to commit to buy it. But if you don't want it, then it's fine. Hop on the community, have fun. It's a free community, you know. $10 basically, like, you know, I need 20 people to make back like just the subscriptions, you know. And electricity, because I'll run my computer, my PC 24/7. Just live stream book map, and book map's pretty heavy on CPU too. So when I'm not on stream, when I'm not streaming, I'll stream the book map on Discord 24/7. But dude, we're going to the moon as soon as we get over the 180 right there, as I say. And now we have what? Fucking orders up here. Market looking for this shit. Let's fucking go. 221. We might get another pop. What the fuck? Might consolidate here for a little bit, and then we got a pop all-time high, baby. Might consolidate a bit right here. Just gotta be patient, you know? Yeah. And low volume note hole, and I see POC move up, you know, you see? Then bam. Now we're going. All-time high. Looking at this volume, it's definitely gonna go all-time high. You know, it's not gonna suddenly dump. Unless like it take all this high, you know, it's right there. It's not gonna suddenly. And we have orders up here, like, you know, market always have a purpose. Like, you know, every move has a purpose, a context behind it. It's not just like going up right here and we dump. How does that make sense? Because like market is between buyers and sellers. So, you know, it's gonna keep going up until there's no more buyers. You know, the reason why you see structure getting respect, because seller was here. And you know, like when price get back in here, like people want to short because they think, yo, if this looking good at a resistance, right, they're gonna short. But once they get squeezed out, like it come back to that resistance, but it didn't get respect, and we push above, it's gonna go up so high because like all of those short gonna get stopped out, you know, or get covered. We go so high. I've been looking for this move all day, to be honest. I've been telling everyone to like, dude, keep trying to buy NQ. Don't short it. Yeah, and look, all of the sellers, right? You can see like here, this, all of this like resistance right here. All of the sellers like reject here multiple times. What does that mean? A lot of sellers trying to short right here. And once price push above that, bro, what sellers gonna do? They gotta hop out, right? They're not gonna be afford to lose money, bro. Like it's a lot of money. Like right now I'm only in 8 micros and I'm already up 700. So imagine if the short still in their positions, bro. That'd be bad for them. And this is like institution trading, millions of dollars. Yeah. And it's an uptrend, so this is just a trap for retail traders right here. You know, just keep fucking look at the higher time frame and follow the trend. Just simple like that, bro. That's so simple, right? But I use a little bit more something right here, volume profile, low volume note. It held, you know, another confluence. You know, take the low. You know, I was saying this might be the reversal point because like if this reverse, it's not gonna. If this don't push down, it's gonna reverse. Dude. Dude, I'm not the market maker, but like it's just like, you know, I like that like my analysis just makes sense to me and it works, you know, like it works. I look at the buyers and the sellers, just trying to see how the market doing, like what they're trying to do, you know, it just makes sense. I don't guess, you know. Thank you, Mix, for the sub. Thank you for the sub. Yeah, but if you guys want to try out Bookmap, you know, and want to learn about it, you know, $10 a month is not much, you know, and eval is $50. But I know, like, you know, I'm a pretty new trader too, but like, you know, I'm trying to help out everyone out. Yo, let's go. You know, like, cause like many people like they don't want to buy Bookmap yet because I don't know if it's gonna work for them, and it's really expensive. And if you think this is interesting to learn, then just, you know, get this up on Whoop. You're gonna get assigned a role to access the Bookmap channel. And when I'm not stream, I'm gonna stream the Bookmap 24/7 for y'all. Yeah, crazy volume. Now we have another one right here. Price might want to target. So if you want to go long, maybe go long at this big order right here if it retrace back here. If they hold it, then it's gonna be a good long. But it might not just come back because it's pretty strong volume right now. An hourly candle just closed. Might squeeze all-time high right here without looking back. Since we hit this, let's see if we can squeeze all-time high right here. 26 people, 29 people are in the stream. What the fuck? Hold on, I gotta take a photo of this real quick. Send it in the chat. Thank you so much for the support, y'all. $29 people. Wow. If y'all could give me a like, a sub. Oh my god. Thank you so much, Yasin. Always for the support. Always. If you guys have any questions, just let me know. I'll answer any questions. So we have orders up here looking juicy. Right here too. You know. Price coming back to retest probably this buyers. It might be a good buy zone if you guys wanna hop in. First buy zone might be this one right here. Let me try it out for you guys. You know, you can see the bubbles. Second zones. This one. But you can see buyers holding. You don't see that using candles. Just look. Let's see if buyers gonna hold right here. Cause I still think it's gonna fill this order up here though. Yep, buyers holding. You can see how accuracy is bug map. It's either we break, we go lower to the next zone, or we hold, we pull back up. You know. There we go. Buyers stepping in again. So now what? This seller is my defense. So like price might consolidate here until one side take the win. It's either break below the box or break above the sellers again, you know. So that's the two scenarios. $31 viewers? God damn. First time I seen the number 3. Oh my god. Shit. Come on now. Thank you so much for the support. Once again. You know. Let's see if buyers gonna hold right here though. Dude, I'm not gonna be the next teacher, bro. I'm gonna be the next Nick. I'm gonna be me. I'm gonna, you know, just trying to be myself, you know, trying to help everyone out. Dude, I'm not saying I'm better than TJR, you know. He got the, you know, the status, you know, like everyone, you know about him. He got the money. Dude. But you see buyers holding. Yo, book map, it's just a fucking cheat code. You can see this. How are you gonna know where to buy here? There's no support if you look at the candle chart. But look at this shit. You can get a tight stop loss just below this buyers. Hopping right here for a bottom tick. Dude. Yes, there's a maybe TKOA, there's a fair value gap, but it's a huge fair value gap. Where in the fair value gap you know it's gonna hold? You know? Oh, this is book map. This is book map. Like this is like, you know, this is not this is order flow too. It's not just an indicator. It's an order flow too. I see real data in the market. So this is like real orders. It's like, you know, people's money pouring in the market, not the fucking like, you know, just some indicator with no data. This is real time data, market data. I pay for this shit to see this shit. It's like level 2 data, you know, but present in an easier way to look at instead of looking at the tape. Yo, what's up, Shok? Dude, I might have to hop off stream here though, 11:30. I'll give it another, 20 minutes because I gotta really study for the exam. But I really want to see the breakout right here. Yeah, I have gotten payouts, yeah, and I'm going payouts on this account right here. I need another 1.1. No, I was in a losing streak though, but this one about to get a payout here. This one just started. I got a payout and I blew a couple accounts last week, so gotta start all over again, It's fine though. Today got this trade, 50K. It's fine. Look, map is the real deal. So look, let's see if buyers will be able to hold right here. But I think buyers gonna hold. We go all time high. How many indicators I got? So volume profile chart, EMA, VWAP, and this. That's it. No others. And trying some box and lines on the chart. ICT is the first strategy I learned, to be honest. Yeah, but it's just like it's not my type, Cause like it's just like it's candles. You may guess like where's the liquidity, but this one you see liquidity. So let's say right here. Oh, they removed the order. See, I can see spoof in the market too. They removed the order. So look, so we have 43 orders up here, right? That's liquidity in the market. But down here, look, we got some right here, orders right here. Damn, bro, motherfucker spoofed the orders. Look, see, with this tool, you can tell if someone spoofed too. That was a big order here, but they remove it. So this price might consolidate. Yeah, okay, yeah, just DM me. Dude, why did they spoof the order? Fuck them spoofer. You guys know about spoof, right? Yeah, order flow for sure, cause like this is what you see, what you trade, right? SMC, what you see, just the candles, But SMC is good to learn for market structure, and then you can apply it with order flow, Fucking they spoofed the order. Look, as soon as buyers get flushed down, we go into the zones. But I still think all-time high right here. Let's see though. Dude, 32 viewers? Come on now. Oh my god, thank you so much everyone. We're up 160 subs. Woo! 40 more subs. By the end of this month, I'm looking to get 200 subs. Dude. Let's see if this buyer's hold right here. Dude, I don't want it to get back into this range. At least 180 got a hold, because previously 180 is where I like break out. Free order flow? No, I haven't used, because like most of the order flow you gotta buy the data. It's not free. Because in order to see this in the market, you gotta buy the CME, the COMEX data, COMEX is for gold, and NQ is CME. You gotta buy the data. How are you gonna see orders? You gotta buy the data to see the orders. So every order flow tool, you need to buy data. So bookmap subscription plus data, cause like, they're not gonna let you see the orders for free. Everything is for charge, man, like, So for this data, NQ and ES is 37 bucks and GC is another 37 plus subscriptions of this order flow tool. So it's a lot, like probably 100 bucks a month. 100 bucks plus. But like I do have a $10 package for anyone want to use it, because like I'll live stream bookmap on Discord 24/7, and before you commit to buy it or to purchase the subscription, you can try it out on my Discord. Like I'll live stream the bookmap and you can try to implement it into your strategy, Let's see if this buyer's down here hold though. Yeah, dip chart. Yeah, I know dip chart, but they haven't released. I might wanna give it a try. You know, I know like there's some guys. His name is. I learned order flow from him too. Fabio Valentini. He's like the affiliated of that software. It's like a web-based order flow tool, which is really cool, but it hasn't released. You know, still waiting on it. Dip chart. Yeah. No, I do a lot of research on order flow, so yeah. That's the reason why I don't take partials, because I have conviction in this trade going all-time high. Everyone's. But I could take partial at the top right there. When I see this absorptions where sellers start getting in, you know, price kind of stall out. But let's see if this buyer's hold up. I still like all-time high for NQ. Yeah, I'll try it on stream for you. Yeah, but I'll have to buy the data and the app. So, yeah, okay, I'll try it. Hell yeah, definitely. I'll give it a review. No, if I'm a scalping, I would definitely like take quick profit, but I'm looking for today analysis is like going all-time high. But you see, if I trade order flow and I take quick trade with big size, I would take quick profit, you know, just trail. Order flow, search up market auction theory. Trying to understand, because the market is an auction. There's a buyer, there's a seller. You know, if you know buyers lift, you know, give better offers, price gonna go up. If sellers, you know, think price too high, it's gonna go down. Just market auction theory, and watch this guy too. The guy just show you. It's a little bit complicated to understand, but you just have to do research and a lot of time with the chart, you know, to learn. That guy right there. Yeah, no problem. Anytime. Any questions? Yeah, it's a pleasure to have you guys here. You know, like, you know, without you guys, that's not gonna be this stream. You know, so really appreciate it. Please give me a thumbs up and a like. We have 32 peoples in here. 34 now. What the fuck? Yeah, he's kind of like a top one scalper, but I don't know if the greatest, because like, you know, we might have like old, you know, some veteran fucking, you know, like really good scalpers, but who knows? Like, but he's like, you know, he won the World Cup, so like, yeah, he's famous. He's the greatest scalper. Thank you so much, Matthew. Let's go. Duh, I'm not famous. I'm not famous at all. Just trying to have fun. I don't care about being famous and shit. Just trying to have fun with all the people in here, you know? Who care about getting famous? All I care about is chatting with y'all, having fun, you know? Make some new connections, you know? Thank you so much, my man. Welcome against Hunter. Dude, I'm getting my way there, but I don't care about all the famous and shit. I just wanna take my trades, have fun with my people, you know? Okay, buyers right down here holding. It didn't even get down to this zone, so I guess this buyers right here held price. Fucking 40 viewers? Yo, I gotta take photo. This is the first time. Almost 40 viewers. Come on now. Where's the funded? This is the funded. Hold on. I'm up today. I'm up today. You know, last week I blew up. I had 5 funded, but I took a payout and blew them. This is funded, my man. Dude, I'm about to hop off stream soon though, like, cause I gotta study for exam, but I really wanted to stay, you know? God damn! I'm already locked out my funded. That's why I'm on my eval. Just trying to pass this eval. Trying to get back to the funded. What's my total payout? So I started trading 5 months ago and I'm now at around 8K payout. Yeah, I started getting really profitable recently because it's just like click, you know? Bro, 1,000 viewers before year end? Y'all making it crazy. You know? Thank you so much, Ryan. Bro, quit school, bro. Nah, I can't, you know? My parents would kill me. I'm Asian, you know? Like, they're pretty strict. Thank you so much, everyone. Where am I located? I'm from Texas, Dallas, Texas. Yeah, just hop on my Discord. Ask me any question, you know? I'm happy to answer every question. If you are new to order flow. Dude, I know, but like, dude, I can't. No, I'm from Vietnam, but I'm a U.S. citizen. It's good. It's good to be employees, bro. Cause like, you know, trading, you just gotta flow with the water. You cannot just spend all time trading, man. Like you gotta, you know, like do other things. Cause like trading, dude, like just make it your side job. You're gonna become the most profitable trader ever. Cause you don't force it. But like when it become your full time, it's gonna pressure you to make money every day. And in order for it to become full time, I need at least fucking like a mil in my bank, and really good. Dude, I'm already a citizen. How am I gonna get catch by eyes, dude? Nah, I'm not. Oh, you're in Vietnam? Hell yeah. Vietnam is a beautiful country. I'm not limiting myself, but dude, I just do what I feel the best for me. I feel it's positive. I feel like, you know, trading while going to school, going to work, it's kind of help with my mental, you know, so I don't have to deal, you know, if I take a loss trade, I can do other things instead of just sitting here in the chart and just hope like price would come back or something, or revenge it, you know. I'm going for computer science. I'm swinging the trade. I've been swinging this all morning. Dude, little. Yeah, like, dude. Dude, it's just got a breakout buff here. We good to go all time high. You know, 294 is an easy target, to be honest. Dude, I really don't want to hop off stream because so many people in right now. But I have to, like in 9 minutes. I'm so sorry. But I'll come back tomorrow. I promise. Yeah, study, man. You know, going to school is not bad. It just help with your, you know, make new connections, help you have, like, you know, skills, social skill and stuff like that, you know. What time tomorrow? At open, 8:30. Yep, I'm going all time high. Check Shook. Shook, I'm gonna check on you after the stream and probably tonight because I gotta study for my exam too. So tonight, definitely tonight. Dude, yo, y'all gotta chill. Yo, like, dude, I'm just trying to have fun in here and, dude. Bro, I'm not a kid. I'm over age, you know? Like, I'm not underage. Dude. Yeah, I know, like, but I never tried the Zing though. I feel like I already got used to the vape, you know, like, I tried to quit, but it's pretty tough. Been trying. But we're going all time high right here. So, you know, it's a good time, this is a good confirmation for long right here. As soon as this 15 minutes candle close bullish, it's gonna break out. Yeah, I know it's bad, but dude, it's just hard. I quit one time and then like I quit it for 2 weeks and then my friends just hand me the vape and then like I got back into addictions, dude. It's just tough. Price pull back up here. If Salah don't defend, bro, we go all time high. Hell yeah. It's fine. Price consolidating. Let's have some chat, you know, like let's have some fun. Don't have to focus too much on trading. Trying to break out, but dude. Let's see if we can break above this sellers right here. If we break above, we're gonna squeeze to all-time high. That's all I'm looking for. I'll you know, like I'll hop on in 3 minutes. Let's say 11:30. You know, just wanna see how. Just trying to sit here and chat with y'all for a little bit. You know. But I think it's gonna break out all-time high right here. Definitely. Make sure if you're in long, as soon as break out all-time high, like just keep trailing your stop loss, you know. Cause there's no resistance and I don't know when price gonna stop. Dude. Thank you. Thank you, Shabash. Did I pronounce it right? Shabash. Dude. Yeah, dude. Gotta chill, Texas. Dude, let's not talk about personal stuff. Are we on here to trade? To learn something? Or are we talking about personal stuff, right? You know, I'm a trader. You don't have to care about my identity, you know? Just care if I'm a good trader or not. It's still good to go long here on NQ if you want to anticipate for the breakout. Like go long, stop loss just below here, you know, below this bubbles. Dude, I'm from Texas. He's so Texas. Dude, Matt, welcome to the stream, welcome back. Bro, we're up like fucking 165 subs already. I feel like we're gonna get 200 subs by the end of the month. Dude, hold on, let me watch this breakout candle real quick and then I'm gonna hop off. Dude, he's a famous YouTuber. He's fucking got subs, y'all. Like, he's up there. Dude, like Matt, he's famous in his fucking niche. He's famous. Telling y'all, give him a sub also. You know, if you need to serve it, call him. He got y'all. Okay, breaking. I think this candle gonna break out right here. Watch the breakout real quick. Dude. It's just like I love when looking at candle breakout, you know? Okay, I'm gonna go study. Alright, I'll see y'all, alright? I'm gonna hop off stream right here. I think like, cause I'm having too much fun, you know? So many people in here and I don't wanna hop off, you know? But I'll see y'all tomorrow, alright?